In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deadline to a Google form. Often, when you're creating forms for surveys, quizzes, or any kind of data collection, you might want to set a deadline to ensure responses are submitted by a certain time. This can be especially useful in educational or professional settings where timing is crucial. So, let's dive into this process step by step to make it quick and easy for you. First, you'll need to open the Google form you've already created or start by making a new one if you haven't done so yet. Google Forms are user-friendly, and opening the form is just as simple as accessing your Google Drive. Once your form is open, you'll notice three small dots in the top right corner of the screen. These dots are essential as they provide you access to additional features and settings. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From these options, you're going to select Add-ons. Add-ons are special tools that can enhance your Google Form capabilities. In this context, we're looking to add an add-on that will allow us to set a deadline. You'll now want to search for a form timer in the add-on store. You can also look for options like AI Proctor or Form Quiz Timer online. These tools are designed to help manage the timing aspects of your forms, including setting deadlines. Once you've found a suitable form timer, go ahead and click on Install. After clicking the Install button, you will need to allow some permissions. This is standard procedure to ensure the add-on can integrate seamlessly with your Google form and provide the services you need. It may feel like an extra step, but it ensures security and functionality, so it's worth confirming these permissions. With the add-on installed, you should now see a puzzle icon appear on top of your form interface. This icon represents all your add-ons. Click on it and select Form Timer from the list. You'll then see an option to open it and further options to set the limit. This is where you align the deadline according to your needs. Next, you'll want to choose date and time as your limit type. This is crucial because it allows you to specify exactly when the form should stop accepting responses. Set the specific date and time for your deadline. Be precise here, ensuring it reflects the exact period you're targeting. Double check to avoid any mistakes since the form will stop collecting responses after this time. Once you've set the deadline, click on Save and Enable. Doing this activates your deadline, and the form will now automatically enforce this time limit. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a deadline to your form, allowing you to collect responses with a punctual closing. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful in managing your Google Forms more efficiently.